Alright everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to download images from Google like a pro using Python, of course. So this is a library that I have been working on, and the library is complete, and this will be officially uploaded on PyPy, so you can use it with just 2 lines of command. By the way, the entire source code is there on my GitHub account, and soon this will be available as a library. So whatever images that you want to download from Google, just type the name of query, let's say dogs, and number of images is 50, and all you have to do, guys, is just simply run this script. So once you run the script and everything works like a charm, and you will have all the images from the Google on your computer. So here you can see it's downloading all the images right now from the Google for you, and it's gonna automatically create a folder and save all the images in the folder for you, so you do not have to do anything. So yep, that's complete. Now if you observe, here you can see all the images of dogs. This can be useful for machine learning tasks, because you need the data set, right? So you can, whatever data set you need, just supply it as a query string and all the images is downloaded like a pro. So if you like this video, and not only that, there are a lot of features about this library. You can download all the URL as a JSON or a CSV file. So if I just say image dot, and you can say save as CSV or save as JSON. So if you do that, and if you run it, I'm not going to run it. So what it does is basically it saves all the list of URL in a nice CSV format. Let me see if I have it right here. I can run it, that's fine. It just takes 2 more seconds, so not a big deal. So it's gonna run. So here you can see saved on your computer. So let's check it out. So here you can see result.csv. I'm gonna open it. My computer is a little slow. So here you can see all the URL numbered, everything in a nice CSV format. So this library is there on my GitHub account, so make sure to check that out. And if you have any more questions or comments or suggestions, excuse me, please leave them in the comment section below, and I would be very happy to assist you. So by the way, keep coding, keep learning, keep smiling, and see you guys in the next video.